So hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to enable and use spatial audio on Netflix. So guys, Netflix has confirmed that it is now rolling out spatial audio support for the iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 8, 8 Plus, X series, 11 series and 12 series. And also this spatial audio work for the iOS 14 and also iOS 15s. The toggle for the managing spatial audio is located in the control center. The spatial audio features work on the AirPods Pro and also AirPods Max. So guys, please make sure you are subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. So guys, please follow the steps and easy to spatial audio work on your Netflix in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, now first of all your AirPods Pro and also AirPods Max connect with your iPhone as well as iPad. And also make sure update latest versions to applications Netflix in your iPhone and Android devices. Now first of all open the Netflix app. Now you can see also screen. Now any screen choose and now you can see also any videos available on your Netflix account. So guys, please play on your iPhone and iPad. Play the video, after again come back. Now you can see also PIP mode available. So guys, open the control center. Now you can see also volume up down icon. So guys, simply press on that. Now you can see also spatial audio options available in iPhone and Android devices. In this photo you can see also spatial audio options available for the Netflix in your iPhone and iPad. These options available for the iOS 14 and also iOS 15 users. And also if you don't get see spatial audio in Netflix app. So guys, please make sure you are the latest versions from the App Store and continue checking over the coming weeks. This way too you can easily spatial audio options available on Netflix app in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much.